Hey there, my name is OTHMARiUS and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited you are finally tuning in, probably looking for some options how to kill this terrifying thing called time. Lucky you, because I am the man. I am a certified, quality-built quarantine time killing machine, commonly referred to as magician. That's right. Most of my time I spent in isolation, alone in my room doing ridiculously childish things, and then I make a living by entertaining people who usually don't have anything better to do, just like yourself right now. And since you are probably for the first time in your life discovering the depths of YouTube, let me introduce you to a format which has been very popular on the platform for quite a while now. It's called unboxing, and it means that people watch other people unbox random packages. It's completely retarded. Welcome to the quarantine zone, my friend. Welcome to your new life. Do not fight it. Embrace it. OTHMARiUS Magic. Like and subscribe. Now, before we get into the epic unboxing action here, you can support this channel with a qualified purchase using the affiliated links in the info box. Get yourselves for only 299 rocks a brand new, super fresh, super soft roll of butthole tissue with even 10% off using the coupon code. Hashtag, you can't make that shit up, can you? I mean, in the city I'm living, Berlin, the freaking capital of Germany, almost all shops are closed. And we still can go out, at least by the time of shooting this video. This is Thursday the 19th of March. We still can hit the streets, but we are expecting a curfew, a ban on going out anytime now, because there are still a lot of folks hitting the streets who obviously don't really get it. I mean, I understand it. I really understand it, because it also took me a long time, a really, really long time, to grasp the seriousness of the situation. And there is still a part in me wildly refusing the acceptance of the situation, because it's massive and it's scary and it makes you feel helpless and powerless. I mean, what are you gonna do? Honestly, in a worst case scenario, probably just trying to keep the human decency up, just don't be a dick. Anyway, within all the craziness going down right now, I received a package from Ekaterina Magic the other day. I totally forgot about this. Now, if you don't know Ekaterina, she is an amazing magician who created a beautiful blend between cardistry and classical card magic. She built up quite a reputation for herself with several TV appearances. I believe she also performed on Penn & Teller, if I'm not mistaken. And the other day, she uploaded a video on YouTube where she shares insights on how to produce a deck of cards. So I went to her website and bought 2 of the decks she produced, which came with this package. So let's open those suckers up right now and crack one open, shall we? I'm really excited. I'm using one of these medieval blades here I've got from the 12th century, cutting this one open, and it doesn't really work, so I have to use brutal force here. Here we go. Very nice, very nice. Ah, look at this. So here comes the first deck. Oh, this looks beautiful. Nice. Really dark red. What a beautiful red. Oh. And is there something else in the box? There is indeed, very much indeed. Let's check it out. Something else. Oh, that is nice. What do we have here? Some extra cards with her or how do you say this in English? With her face on it as a little drawing. That's nice. So these are the cards. Look at this. We got a red box with a fox, goes all over it here, and it says here Ekaterina. These cards look nice. Wonderful. I'm super excited about this. I'm going to crack them open here, and it looks like just a deck I want to open, and I want to give it a try right away. So let's do this. Let's get rid of the cellophane here. This was an easy one, and there is no no glue or something here, little thing that's glued on. How is it thing? And then we open the box, and it's black from the inside, a matte black here. And let's go for the cards. Ooh, very nice. So we got a red tone with 2 foxes here at the same time. Now this is very strong here on the monitor. It's a little softer with my real eyes. It has very thin lines, as you can see here, white thin lines. Feels really good in the hands so far. Now let's look at the cards. We got a double backer here. We got a card without the foxes and a blank card. It's a nice touch here. And then probably we got our standard bicycle cards. Really nice. And where's the ace? There's the ace, and the ace says Ekaterina. Very simple. Love this very much. We got the jokers. There's her face again. Beautiful. Probably I used a coupon code on the purchase, which she shared on the video where she talks about how to produce a deck of cards, and so this comes with all the tricks in. She's also selling on her website. Probably this is a package one here, so I'm not going to open this up here. I don't want to reveal anything, but I'm going to take a close look at this. Very excited about this beautiful deck of cards. Wonderful. So let's give this a crash test. I'm dribbling the cards. That feels just right. Fanning the cards feels just right. Wonderful. This is a nice deck of cards I can immediately start working with. Feels really fair. I love this. I believe they cost 15 euros a deck, or maybe 12, I don't know. But that was worth it. From what I'm feeling and seeing, and also of course smelling. I'm also doing smell test. Yeah, it smells really good. And also, I always enjoy supporting my fellow colleagues, artists who build up a brand or business for themselves, and then at a certain point they of course produce a deck of cards. This is how it looks here from here, like this. Beautiful. I will link everything in the info cards and in the info box down below, in case you want to get yourselves those playing cards by Ekaterina. Yes, and that is a little bit of crazy unboxing inside unboxing here. I guess I'm gonna use these cards for the upcoming tutorials, because they look really nice and shiny here. For all them false cutting and shuffling tutorials coming up on this channel. So if you're interested in learning card magic from scratch, all the basic stuff, and the proper handling, you're very welcome to join the party. Just hit double combo, subscribe and notification bell icon, and we'll meet again at the card table very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Don't join into the panic. Stay calm, stay safe, stay healthy, and then we'll meet again very soon. Rest assured, more magical stuff is going to be uploaded on this channel in about no time. OTHMARiUS Magic. Like and subscribe.